Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling notifications on iOS. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To turn off notifications on your iPhone, start by opening the Settings app. From the Settings app, tap on Notifications. This page displays a list of all the apps you have installed and the notification settings for each one. Tap on an app to see its notification settings. You can adjust your notification settings for each specific app here. You could choose to disable all lock screen notifications but allow them in the notification center, for example. You can also choose to disable the sound of notifications here, or disable the notification preview. To completely disable notifications for this app, disable the Allow Notifications switch. Unfortunately, there is currently no way of switching off all notifications for all apps at once. So if you want to disable them on every app, you will have to go into each app one at a time and disable them that way. Note that if you just don't want to receive any notifications temporarily, you can simply activate Do Not Disturb mode by swiping up to access the Control Center and then selecting the Do Not Disturb icon. Remember to turn it off when you are done. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.